How video games evolved over the years. Introduction. Video games have come a long way from their humble beginnings as simple pixelated experiences to immersive, photorealistic worlds that captivate players worldwide. Over the decades, gaming has evolved technologically, culturally, and economically, shaping entertainment as we know it today. This essay explores the history, technological advancements, and cultural impact of video games, spanning from the early arcade era to modern-day gaming. The birth of video games 1950s-1970, early experiments in the 1950s, computer scientists developed the first interactive games such as Tennis for Two 1958 and Spacewar 1962. These games were simple and often played on university mainframes rather than commercial devices. The rise of arcade gaming in the 1970s saw the emergence of arcade games, with Pong 1972 becoming the first commercially successful video game. Companies like Atari, Taito, and Namco popularized arcade gaming with classics like Space Invaders 1978 and Pac-Man 1980. The home console revolution, 1980-1990, the golden age of consoles. The introduction of home consoles like the Atari 2600 1977 and Nintendo Entertainment System NES 1985 brought gaming to living rooms. Super Mario Bros. 1985 revolutionized platforming games and set new standards for game design. Sega entered the competition with the Sega Genesis 1988, leading to the iconic rivalry between Sonic and Mario. The birth of 3D gaming in the 1990s saw the transition from 2D to 3D graphics, with Sony's PlayStation 1994 and Nintendo 64 1996 leading the charge. Games like Super Mario 64 1996 and The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time 1998 demonstrated the potential of 3D worlds. The rise of CD-ROM technology allowed for cinematic storytelling with games like Final Fantasy VII 1997. The Internet and online multiplayer 2000s, the rise of online gaming, the introduction of broadband Internet-enabled online multiplayer experiences. Microsoft's Xbox Live 2002 allowed console gamers to compete online, popularizing multiplayer shooters like Halo 2 2004. MMORPGs like World of Warcraft 2004 introduced expansive online worlds. HD graphics and open-world gaming, the PlayStation 3 2006, Xbox 360 2005, and Wii 2006 brought high-definition graphics and motion controls. Open-world games like Grand Theft Auto 4 2008 and The Elder Scrolls vs. Skyrim 2011 set new standards for immersion. Indie games gained popularity with digital distribution platforms like Steam. The modern gaming era 2010's present virtual reality and cloud gaming VR headsets like Oculus Rift 2016 and PlayStation VR 2016 introduced a new dimension of gaming. Cloud gaming services like Google Stadia and Xbox Cloud Gaming allowed for streaming without powerful hardware. The rise of esports and mobile gaming, competitive gaming, became a billion-dollar industry, with tournaments for games like League of Legends and Fortnite. Mobile gaming dominated the industry, with titles like PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact reaching millions of players. AI and procedural generation, AI-driven NPCs and procedural world generation enhanced game realism. Games like No Man's Sky 2016 used procedural algorithms to create vast, explorable universes. Conclusion: the evolution of video games reflects human creativity and technological progress. From simple arcade machines to immersive VR experiences, gaming continues to push boundaries. As artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and virtual reality advance, the future of gaming promises even greater innovations, ensuring its place as a dominant form of entertainment for generations to come.